Calculation of fluids intake. As a nurses, we need to know how much are the total fluids intake of the patient, or what are those fluids we need to consider to add for the total intake of the patient. What are the basic dosage calculation? These are the dosage calculation we need to memorize. 1,000 microgram is equals to 1 milligram. 1,000 milligram is equals to 1 gram. 1,000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. 1 ml is equals to 1 cc or cubic centimeter. 65 milligram is equals to 1 grain. 5 ml is equals to 1 teaspoon. 15 ml is equals to 1 tablespoon. 30 ml or 2 tablespoons is equals to 1 ounce. 500 ml is equals to 1 pint. 1,000 ml is equals to 1 liter or is equals to 1 quart. Then 240 ml is equals to 1 cup. Just take a look for the dosage of the calculation. Memorize it. And then we will answer the question. Let's answer the question. Patient has following intake: 2 and 1/2 cups of tea, 240 ml per cup, 11.5 ounce of fruit juice, 3/4 quart of coffee, 320 ml of Coke, 1 and 1/4 liter of normal saline, IV, and 2 ounces of grits. What is the total intake in ml for this patient? Let's answer. Two and 1/2 cup. This one is 240 per ml per cup. Means this one is 240 plus 240. This is 1 cup, 1 cup. And then plus, how about the 1/2 cup? How much? Half of 240 is 120. And then 11.5 ounce. In 1 ounce, how many ml? 1 ounce is equals to 30 ml. That's why 11.5 times 30 ml is equals to 345. This one, 240 plus 240 plus 120 is equals to 600. Next is the 3/4 quart. 3/4 quart of coffee. How much 1 quart in ml? 1 quart is equals to 1,000 ml. This one is 3/4 quart. We need to get the 3/4. The 3/4 of 1,000 is 750 ml. Then the other one is Coke. Coke is 320 ml. It's already given the ml. And then 1 1/4 of normal saline. How much is that? Is 1,250 ml. What is the total? 600 plus 345 plus 750 plus 320 plus 1,250. Total is 3,265. This is the total fluids intake of the patient in ml. How about the 2 ounces of grits? Why the 2 ounces of grits? We will not include in the fluids intake. Why? Because this grits is not liquid in room temperature. This one is solid. That's why these 2 ounces of grits we will not consider as a fluids intake. Next question. See, we have the same answer. Grits is not liquid in room temperature. That's why grits is not included for the fluids intake. Next question. Patient intake, 8 ounces of glasses. 8 ounces. Remember, 8 ounces, 1 ounce is equals to 30 ml. 8 times 30 ml is equals to 240. What's this next? 4 ounces of carrot juice. 4 ounces. Remember, 1 ounce is equals to 30 ml. What is the answer? 4 times 30 is equals to 120 ml. What's next? 3/4 pint of ice cream. How much is 1 pint in ml? 1 pint is equals to 500 ml. How much is the 3/4 at 500? Is equals to 375 ml. This is the 3/4 of 500. Next is 32 ounces. This one, 32 ounces. (32 ounces of apple juice. 1 ounce is equals to 30 ml. 32 ounces times 30 ml is equals to 32 ounces times 30 ml is equals to 960. And then we have 1 liter, 1 1/2 of normal saline. How much is that? 1,500 ml. What is the total? We need to include the 6 ounces of cottage cheese? No, because this cottage cheese is solid. That's not a liquid. What is the total? 240 plus 120 plus 375 plus 960 plus 1,500. The total is 3,195 ml. This is the total fluids intake of the patient. Next question. Patient had the following intake. Two and 1/2 soup. This 2 and 1/2 soup, 180 ml per bowl. It means 180 plus 180 plus, what is the half of 80 is 90. Is equals to 450 ml. Next, 4.5. 1 can of orange juice. 1 can is 4.5 ounces per can. 4.5 ounces per can. It means how many ounces? How many 1 ounce in 1 ml? 1 ounce equals to 30 ml. 4.5 times 30 ml is equals to 135. This one 4.5 times 30. So that we'll get the 135. Next, we have 1 3/4 liters of normal saline. How much is that? 1 3/4? 1,750 ml. And then the last one is 1/2 pint of ice cream. 1 pint is equal to how many ml? 1 pint is equal to 500 ml. We will get the half pint. Half pint of 500 is 250 ml. Let's total. Total fluids intake is 450 plus 135 plus 170. 1,750 plus 250 is equals 2,585 ml. Total fluids intake. Last question. patient who needs to mix her vitamin C supplement with 120 ml of water or juice. She has only standard measuring cups in the house. How do you instruct her to take her dose? How many cup? 1 cup is equal to 240 ml. Since, what is the order? 120 ml. Now this 120 ml, divide 240 is equals to 0.5 cup or half cup. You need to give half cup.